The 2025 Tesla Model Y continues to be one of the most popular electric SUVs on the market, offering a well-balanced combination of range, performance, practicality, and advanced technology. The newest version, known internally as the Juniper refresh, brings a number of improvements in styling, interior quality, ride comfort, and overall refinement that make it more appealing to a broader audience. Tesla has kept the core identity of the Model Y intact while responding to common user feedback and enhancing the overall ownership experience. From the outside, the updated Model Y sports a sleeker design with a more aerodynamic profile. The front and rear bumpers have been reshaped, and a full-width LED light bar has been added to give the vehicle a more futuristic look. These changes are not just cosmetic, they also reduce drag and improve efficiency. Combined with upgraded battery technology and drivetrain refinements, the new Model Y offers an EPA estimated range of up to 387 miles, making it one of the longest-range electric SUVs currently available. Inside the cabin, the Model Y has received several upgrades that address earlier criticisms. The materials used throughout the interior feel more premium, and the seats are now both heated and ventilated. Tesla has added ambient lighting and improved the acoustic insulation, resulting in a much quieter and more comfortable ride. A new rear touchscreen display has been introduced for rear passengers, offering entertainment controls and climate settings, enhancing its appeal as a family vehicle. The familiar 15-inch central touchscreen still dominates the dashboard, managing everything from navigation to climate control, though it still lacks Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Driving the 2025 Model Y is a more refined experience thanks to an updated suspension system. Tesla has worked to reduce the stiffness that was often cited in previous versions, and the result is a ride quality that better balances comfort and handling. Acceleration remains a strong point. The long-range variant can hit 0 to 60 miles per hour in just about 4.4 seconds, while the performance trim drops that number closer to 3.5 seconds. Despite its speed and power, the Model Y remains impressively efficient, achieving nearly 4 miles per kilowatt-hour under normal driving conditions. There are still a few drawbacks that might deter traditional car buyers. The reliance on the central touchscreen for most controls can be a distraction, especially for those new to Tesla's ecosystem. The absence of physical buttons and traditional gear selectors may take some time to get used to. Additionally, while the build quality has improved, some reviewers still note inconsistencies in panel alignment and material choices compared to luxury competitors. Overall, the 2025 Tesla Model Y is a compelling choice for anyone looking to transition to an electric vehicle without compromising on performance, space, or range. Its upgrades make it more comfortable, user-friendly, and stylish, while still offering all the signature Tesla tech and features. With continued access to Tesla's fast-charging supercharger network and over-the-air software updates, the Model Y remains a future-forward vehicle that continues to set the standard in its class.